Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix if your iPhone 17 Pro Max is not charging. So how can you fix that? First of all, open the settings of your iPhone, and once you open the settings, just go inside the general. And once you're inside the general, you just need to scroll down and go inside this option transfer or reset iPhone. Just click on it, click on reset. And once you click on reset, you will see multiple options. As you can see, all settings, network, keyboard, handwriting, home, or whatever the option you want to select. So you just need to click on reset all settings. And once you click on reset all settings, that will basically reset all the data. If you have changed anything related to your battery or like any other option, that will reset everything like inside your settings, not your mobile data or anything like your private data. That won't be deleted. Now you can also check the battery section, and inside the battery you can go inside the charging and make sure that you don't have any kind of charging limit set to like 85 or 90, or make sure that these settings are also turned on. Optimize battery charging and clean energy charging as well, make sure these settings are also turned on. And once these settings are turned on, after that that might be the problem of your cable or your adapter or your socket as well. So change the socket, change the cable, and change the adapter. Once you change all these things, any of it will can be the problem. So that is all how you can fix your iPhone 17 Pro Max is not charging. So that is how you can fix that.